Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram story not showing in iPhone. If you're using any Instagram and your iPhone but you're facing the issue that your Instagram story or add to story option is not showing or not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first is that you just have to go back from here and you have to open your settings app, and from here you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable the airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It can make a quick refresh with all of your network settings, and then go back and here go for general settings, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go back, open your app store here, and you have to go for search and search for Instagram. And here you have to check that there is no any pending updates available for your Instagram app. If you find try to update your Instagram, then go back, open your Instagram app or check if your issue is fixed or not. Or if it's still not fixed, so you just have to go back, open your settings app again, go for general section, and here go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and then enter your passcode. Then select Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete the data, so you can still try this, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. If there will be any network issue, it will be fixed in this step. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be your app issue, there will be any bug or any malware in your app, so you have to go for general, go for iPhone storage, and look for Instagram app here. You can try to offload your app if you want to delete app without deleting app data. So you can try to offload app, then tap on reinstall option here, and the app will be reinstalled without deleting any data. If you want to completely delete app, then delete app option, tap on this delete option, and after that your app will be deleted. You can open your app store to reinstall app, and after reinstalling your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.